Government is allocating 1 billion, and then the taxi industry want 20,000 per taxi per month over a period of time. That is not possible from the point of view of the fiscus.
Sinzima isicelo sezinkulungwane ezingamashumi zamarandi itekisi ngayinye semboni yamatekisi. Lo mkhakha ubusabisa ngokukhuphula imali yokugibela ngokuphindaphindwe kabili. Ubukhala ngokuthi imigomo ye-lockdown eyayiphoqa ukulayisha u-30% wabagibeli yawulimaza kakhulu ekhikhini. Ungqongqoshe uMbalula uthe isicelo sabo sokulayisha abagibeli abagcwele nakuba sebevumeleke ukulayisha abangu-70 wamaphesenti kulesigaba sesithathu basazosibhunga nomkhandlu obhekele imigomo yokulawula i-lockdown. Le mboni igixabeziwe imali engu-1.135 billion itekisi ngalinye lizonikwa izinkulungwane ezinhlanu zamarandi.
Government has offered the taxi industry a relief package of 1.135 billion. Reaching agreement within government for this relief support for the taxi industry was a difficult process that involved extensive lobbying and convincing the relevant authorities on the importance and the need for this fund.
Ukhulumela iSantaco uthi basazobhunga ngalesamba uhulumeni azobaxhasa ngaso ukhala ngokuthi le mali ngeke ihlale yonke esandleni sabanikazi bamatekisi njengoba kuzocazelwa kuyo nabe e-hailing kanye nezokuthutha zamabanga amade.
It would be a mistake to believe that that whole amount goes to the taxi industry alone. You must firstly subtract money that will be allocated to the meter taxis, e-hailing, as well as long distance operation, the balance of which would go to the taxi industry, which is why it is even concerning to believe that it will be 5,000 rand per taxi, because as far as we did our calculations, that amount goes far less.
Kwezezitimela ungqongqoshe uMbalula umemezela ukuthi Metro Rail izoqala kusebenza mhla lulunye kwezokwethwasa ngaphansi kwembandela eqinile yezokuphepha ye-lockdown.
Long distance rail services such as Shosholoza Mail and Rovos Rail remains closed, while Metro Rail services are projected to resume on the 1st of July, subject to stringent safety measures being implemented.
Ephetha uthe kungumsebenzi wazo zonke izinhlaka zezokuthutha ukuqinisekisa ukuthi le mboni ayivulile kalula kusabalalisa i-COVID-19.
We are equally duty bound to ensure that ours is not a sector that will enable the rampant spread of the virus. The measures that we put in place and continue to revise from time to time are meant to mitigate against this spread through various transport modes.
Emasontweni ambalwa ezayo kuzomenyezelwa ukuthi iziphi ezinye izikhumulo zezindiza esezizovunyelwa ukusebenza njengoba kwamanje kusebenza iKing Shaka, iSasekapa kanye ne-OR Tambo. Kuzophinde kudalulwe ukuthi kuzovumeleka nini ukusebenza kwamatekisi ahamba amabanga amade. Izindabeni ze-SABC nginguNqubeko Nzimande.